Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog. But where are we going? Remember? Are you going with Addie?
Yeah.
And then what are you going to do with Addie?
Wow.
You're going to get on a boat? Are you excited? And what are you going to do in the boat?
Fish.
Fish? We're going to fish? Fishing?
Yeah.
It's going to be Claire's first time camping. Bruno's first time camping. I've been camping before with family when I was younger though, maybe like my teenage years, young or younger than that. We went camping and I just can't remember how it is to camp. So now that it's gonna be our first time going as a family, and now that I'm an adult, it's gonna be my first time. So it's pretty exciting to catch Claire's and Bruno's first time camping, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the week. Well, it's not a weekend. It's actually today, Wednesday. We're gonna be here Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So all those days I'll be vlogging everything. Right now, you're gonna get a fish. I'm gonna bite the fish. Okay. Wow, yeah. What are those, mountains? Say mountains.
Mama,
What is it?
Mama.
Huh? You saw a fish? How did it look? What color?
Fish.
It was a pink fish. What? That's rare. Yes, Claire? You want to swim?
Yeah.
Oh, the fish swim? Yeah, you can swim down there.
Yeah.
So your first time, huh?
Hey, it's a chip.
There's a chip.
Who threw that chip inside the water?
Oh, wow. Wow. Look, he got the chip. Hey girls. Huh? What do you need? Oh, the bee. That's a fly, Mama. Bees are yellow.
Yeah.
Flies are little like that and they're black. Yeah, it's a fly.
Fish.
Yeah. You having fun with your rock? Yeah.
Here's just having.
Yeah.
She's just having a good time, huh?
Claire, what are we doing?
Fish.
Oh, can you see it?
Say, I'm doing
Sorry, baby. Don't
A-
yell at me, okay?
dream catcher.
Let me know when you're done, okay?
What's that one?
Yosh.
Flowers.
Yeah. Yo, boo, yo, boo, yo.
Let me see your guys' dream catchers. Wow, turn it around, Claire, so I can see it. It's so pretty. Wow. Let me see yours, Addie. Did you like your dream catcher? You like doing it? I love it. okay, baby? Yeah? Are you having... Oh, my baby. That's scary, babe. I don't know. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys where we stayed for 2 nights. So come on guys. First you gotta take off your shoes. Because you know Bruno has an OCD problem. Just kidding. It's just a sanitary thing. So right here, have the bed. Nice, fancy little bed. Air mattress, queen size. So if you're looking for one, Walmart has them for like $14, right? I think they're like $14. This is our wannabe nightstand. We have Bruno's watch, the little light, Claire's bow, some wifey. There's little rocks right here that she made yesterday. She painted them with her friend Ad. Over here is our home decor. What do you guys think? Claire ended up doing this. Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Should I try to sell it for like $1,000? This is my fancy vanity. You guys are gonna be jealous. Just warning you. Don't be jealous before you see it. Here's my vanity. Woo! Look at this. Mirror and everything. We got my makeup stuff in there that you need while camping. Then you come over here. Over here, this is our bathroom. This is Claire's bathroom in case she got to go in the night. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. I couldn't hold it this morning, so I went on her little potty. Don't tell Claire though. Over here is just a bunch of junk. You know, that's a junk corner over there.
That's our dirty laundry basket.
Yeah.
And this is our closet.
Here is our just bags. You know, you can never have too many bags for just junk. And then right here, these pants that they let us borrow last night because there was a bear, so here's the bear away. But we're gonna get those out probably tonight or maybe not if the bear comes back, because there was a bear out here and we're scared for our lives.
Mama,
what? Yeah. Huh? I'm trying to get on video. Too dark. You saw him, Claire?
Yeah!
Alright guys, so we're gonna get out of here because it is hot in this tent. Even though it's fresh outside, it is hot in here. Okay, and one thing that I forgot is the little hangers we have right here going on. You know, you could do this. Like these came with the tent, and Bruno came up with a brilliant idea and just hanged it there to hang our wet clothes to dry. Oh, and don't mind him, he's just my slave cleaning my porch. I had to bring him along.